Everyone says, just walk more. But what if I told you there's a movement that strengthens your legs and balance even better, and you can do it right in your living room? In Japan, seniors in their 80s and 90s practice this daily. Researchers found it builds leg strength 40% faster than walking alone. No gym, no equipment, just 2 minutes in your living room. It's called marching in place. Yes, literally marching right where you stand. Here's what most people don't know. Walking is great, but it doesn't train single leg stability. Every time you march, you're standing on one leg, then the other. That's the exact movement pattern that prevents falls. NASA uses marching drills to help astronauts recover leg strength after space missions. If it works in zero gravity, imagine what it can do for you. Studies found that seniors who marched 3 times a week showed major improvements in leg strength, balance, and gait stability after just 8 weeks. Another study showed marching activates hip flexors and thigh muscles 40% more than walking, the exact muscles that prevent falls. Japanese wellness centers teach this because it's safer than outdoor walking, and you can do it anywhere, anytime. Let me tell you about James. He was 74, walked every morning for years. Then he slipped on ice, hurt his knee, and lost confidence. His legs grew weaker. Even standing from his chair became hard. His physical therapist said, "Try marching at home." At first, James laughed, but he tried it, just 30 seconds at a time. Within 2 weeks, he could stand longer without holding furniture. By 3 months, his balance improved so much he could walk to the park again without fear. He said, "Marching gave me back my legs and my confidence." Now let's learn how. Stand behind a sturdy chair or near a wall. Stand tall, shoulders back, core engaged. Lift your right knee toward your waist, as how is comfortable. Lower it gently. Then lift your left knee. That's one march. March slowly. Find your rhythm. Breathe naturally. Keep arms swinging naturally or hold the chair for balance. Start with 30 seconds. Rest. Repeat twice. Work up to 1-minute sets, then 5 continuous minutes. Can't stand that long? Sit upright in a chair and march by lifting your knees alternately. This still works your hips, thighs, and core. Do this 5 days a week. March during commercials, music, or TV. It fits into your life. Pro tip: form first, speed later. As you improve, lift knees higher or add arm movements. This isn't just exercise, it's fall prevention. It's independence training. Japanese seniors know the movement that keeps you young isn't always the one you do outside. Sometimes it's the one you practice in your living room. So here's my question. What would you do if you never had to worry about falling again? Walk your dog, travel, garden? Drop your answer below. I read every comment. If this inspired you, hit subscribe. We're sharing movements that keep you strong, steady, and independent. Ready for more? Watch next. Over 50, one pose Japanese elders do daily opens hips and prevents falls. The butterfly pose that unlocks mobility. Click now. This is Fit Fixin'. March in place, stand with confidence.